In this video, we will show you how to install the IAH09D. Part 1. The introduction of IAH09D. Its screen is 232mm long and 141mm wide. The chassis is 170mm and 95mm in length and width. How to check whether the IAH09D is applicable in your vehicle. Please make sure your dashboard opening has enough space for the double-DIN head unit installation. Part 2. Installation methods of IAH09D. Here are two installation methods for IAH09D, the standard double-DIN opening installation, and the vehicle-specific opening installation. Method 1. The standard double-DIN opening installation. Let's check some double-DIN opening examples. Standard double-DIN opening, single DIN with single DIN pocket and the converted double-DIN opening. Next, please choose the movable mounting brackets, double-DIN side brackets and the adaptive cage. Now, let's check the steps one by one. Standard double-DIN opening installation steps. Step 1. Assemble the double-DIN side brackets on both left and right sides of the adaptive cage, then fix them with 3 screws on both sides respectively. Step 2. Assemble the movable mounting brackets on both left and right sides of the adaptive cage, then fix them with 2 screws on both sides respectively. Attention please! Please choose the suitable screw fixing position according to the actual assembly situation. Step 3. Install the combined adaptive cage into the standard double-DIN opening, and fix it on the opening with 2 screws on both left and right sides respectively. Attention please! In order to have enough installation space to fix the IAH09D into the adaptive cage, screw holes on the top and both sides of the adaptive cage must be exposed. Step 4. If you need to apply a vehicle-specific dash kit, please install it at this step. Attention please, the fascia you purchase from a third party must have an opening larger than 175/98mm. Step 5. Install the IAH09D into the adaptive cage, and fasten 2 screws on each side, and 2 screws on the top. The installation position can be adjusted according to the actual installation condition. Method 2. The vehicle-specific opening installation. Please purchase the vehicle-specific Yofeng installation dash kit for your vehicle if you do not already have it. Now, let's have a look of the installation steps for the vehicle-specific opening. Vehicle-specific opening installation steps. Step 1. Please assemble the adaptive cushion onto IAH09D and fix them with 2 screws on each side. Step 2. Assemble the vehicle-specific Yofeng installation dash kit onto the IAH09D and fix them with 5 screws, 1 on the top, 2 on each side. Step 3. Install the combined IAH09D into the opening, then press it tightly to fix it firmly on the position. Attention please! In certain cases, an included 10-inch adaptive cushion needs to be added between the 9-inch adaptive cushion and the vehicle-specific dash frame to ensure complete installation. If you have installation problems, please contact ATOTO after service team for more detailed information.